Hey, I'm Dave Knight with the Dave Knight Real Estate Team, and we love being a real estate resource for people. Today I'm standing here at our house by the crawl space, and in that crawl space, years ago, we had our house bolted to the foundation. And so when you sell a property in Southern California, one of the questions on the disclosures is your house bolted to the foundation? Many times homeowners will say, no, it's not. So if yours is not bolted to the foundation, there's a program that will give you funding to do that. And when we did ours, it only cost us a little money out of pocket. Most of the money we received from the EBB program. So that stands for Earthquake Brace and Bolt program. We're going to have the link to that right below this video in the email so that you can access that. You can look to research to find out if your house qualifies and what you need to do to apply for that. So follow the instructions, get an application in, find out if you can get the money to receive the funds to bolt your house to the foundation. Hopefully this video helps. Make it a great day. We'll see you on the next video.